This is a simple recipe for summer that builds on the beauty of the classic prosciutto e melone. Start with an easy summer garden-inspired vinaigrette of fresh lemon, lemon balm, and rose petals. Combine the juice and zest with the herbaceous ingredients, along with honey and a pungent and peppery olive oil. A Paso Robles olive oil, like our estate olive oil, is perfect. That bit of bitter will highlight the sweet melon perfectly. Then, simply give it a shake to combine. Next, it is time for layering our little trifle salad. In the base of a whiskey glass, add a couple of spoonfuls of Burrata Stracciatella before scooping out chilled cantaloupe and sugar baby watermelon for a colorful taste of summer. Intermittently, add in a salty hit of prosciutto di Parma to balance the flavors. The classic sweet and salty notes are gorgeous with the fatty stracciatella. Then drizzle the lemon balm and rose vinaigrette over the entire salad for a balancing of acid for the palate. Garnish and serve with a beautiful pairing like our 2023 Viognier from the Cass Winery Estate that layers on the floral notes perfectly. Buon appetito!